Big lunch or a turkey sandwich? Let's try one more time. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Thank you. You're awesome. You know, as I was watching Samson doing the presentation, it just brings back so much memory because I still recall 2.5 years ago when we launched this company, none of us knew what resveratrol was stem cell technology, none of this stuff. We're just hoping and praying that whatever we saw is going to work. And you know, sure enough, 2.5 years later, many lives were touched because of this opportunity, and many lives were touched because of product line. And I am so proud to watch Samson transform to who he become today. And as a matter of fact, today he's quite funny, isn't he? So it's a tough act to follow. But this is our second session. We had a session this morning and for the Chinese community, and this is our second session. And so today, you know, many of you are brand new here. Some of you have been here for a while, but I really urge you to keep an open mind because this technology, the trend that we have touched upon, I mean, it's here to stay. And it is transforming lives and touching lives around the world. And so before I talk about the business side of the opportunity, allow me to share with you my background, why I'm doing this business. I am a stay-home mom. My husband's a physician. He has a medical practice right here locally in Pomona. Hopefully none of you need to go see a doctor, okay, especially with this line of product. But I've been involved in this type of business now for 20 years. And so for the first 10 years of my career, it was more in the United States. And so, for some of you, before I even go any further, let me ask this question. How many of you have gotten involved in network marketing before? Show of hands. Okay, now how many of you liked it? Usually many hands go down, like, no, that's it, okay? I'm done with it. Well, you know what? Guys, about 10 years ago, that's how I felt. I was so done with it. You know, first 10 years of my direct selling experience is in the U.S. market. And I've been blessed, I made some money, and I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly of network marketing. And so 10 years ago, I said, that's it. You couldn't pay me any amount of money to go to any meeting. That's how done I was with it. And so, long story short, at that time I got married and had a beautiful child. And I didn't think I was going to come back to direct selling. So instead, I actually helped my husband to manage his medical clinic, you know, see the patient. I mean, not see the patient, but greet the patients and do billing and whatnot. And so I was actually getting bored. I said, you know, I thought, you know, a lot of times when the business owner is really glamorous and the business owner, but I get to sit on the other side of the desk, and I was like, this is not fun at all. And so there's a lot of overhead and a lot of compliances and whatnot. And so, long story short, about eight years ago, a friend of mine told me, he said, you know, Kim, I know you had a little success in network marketing, but he says, you know, technology is really changing the way we do business throughout the world, and network marketing is no different. Technology has really touched upon the speed and ways we build business. And what internet is able to do is that connect the world much closer and allow us to leverage the global economy. So long story short, 8 years ago I got back into the industry, and that literally changed my life. In 2 years' time, I was very blessed. My business, and I was a stay-home mom, still am a stay-home mom. And 2 years ago, I started my business in Diamond Bar because I live in Diamond Bar. I have a 2-story house, and so I started my business in one of the rooms. I turned into my office, and from that little office, my business in 2 years has spread to over 200 countries and territories. And it was a huge blessing because with that success, I was able to retire my husband, who had worked very hard as a medical doctor for 22 years. So I said, honey, you can now resign from the hospital that you have worked for so many years. So he goes, as a man, I want to keep my own business. So he still keeps his own medical practice, but he retired as a physician at the hospital that he worked for 22 years. So, you know, when the opportunity knocks and if you answer it and if you take it and seize it in the right light and take the right action, it can change your life like it did mine. And so it was a huge blessing. I was able to done a lot of traveling and really enjoy what life was really meant to live. And so, long story short, about 2.5 years ago, and so I actually sold that business. And I told my husband, I said, you know, honey, I've traveled the world and, you know, worked very hard, and we're blessed with a beautiful lifestyle. I said, our son's gonna go to elementary school. So I told my husband, I'm gonna be a good wife. I'll stay home, I'll cook, I'll take the kids to school and whatever. Well, that only lasted so long, okay? When Wendy and Randy, the owner of this company, called me again and says, you know, Kim, this time around, we truly have found something that we have the urge to bring to the masses, because they believe that they have stumbled upon the technologies that can touch and save people's lives around the world. And so they came to me and says, you know what, we want to launch this company and want your help. And so in the beginning, and we had dinner, and they told me about this resveratrol, adult stem cell technology, growth factors, and all those were foreign language to me. I'm like, what? You know, so I thought my English wasn't that good, okay? So long story short, I went home and I gave the information to my husband, who's a physician. And he started researching and looking into it. And he says, you know what, honey? You ought to get involved with this company. Just because, you guys were able to touch people's lives financially in the past. He says, with this product line, the technology that Wendy and Randy stumbled upon, that Samson has done such a beautiful job explaining to all of us. He says, with that technology, not only can you help people transform their lives financially, but through the product line, while you're making money, you might be able to save other people's lives. And so he said to me, if you do this project, I'm going to support you 100%. Now, supporting means when I'm traveling around the world, guess who's home with the baby? My husband, okay? So I think he's going to come later on today. But anyway, so that's how we started this opportunity. And, you know, we didn't have the opportunity and the fortune that you all do, sitting right here looking all this. We started this company telling a couple of my friends in LA, I said, listen guys, we're going to build an international business. They go, cool. So how many people? I said, well, the 5 of us. How many countries? Well, LA. And that's how we started. And so, because I believe with the right product, with the right kind of people, with the right leadership, and with the right trend that's coming, each and every single one of us can really capture what's about to come. And so, in business, I really believe being in the right place, the right time, and taking the right action. And so, what you're looking at is a mega trend. So, I want you to think about this from a business standpoint. If you knew what the trend, and let's say, you know what, Back to the Future. Like they say, you are from the future, and you know that right now at this point in time, what people want at this point in time. If you knew where other people are going, and you get there first, and you provide be the solution provider with all the people coming your way, what's going to happen to you? You can become wealthy. Okay, so that's called having a mega trend and being right in front of it. Find out where the people are going, but you get there first, and then you welcome them all. So is that making sense so far? All right. So this is, some statistics that you all can take a look at. Okay, so I really believe, baby boomers are people turning and getting old every second. And I don't know about you. You know, like when I'm in my 20s or 30s, you talk about anti-aging, it probably makes no sense to me. I said, what, wrinkle what? I have no wrinkles. But when you get age 40, then 45, then 46, you go, give me whatever you got, okay? So, think about this. Look at how many pharmacies are popping out nowadays. Why? Getting ready for the baby boomers, okay? So it's a huge trend going on. And there's another trend called internet economy, global economy that each and every single one of us can leverage on nowadays, okay? So what if there's a worldwide demand? See, baby boom is not just only in America, it's happening around the world. Internet is not only in America, the internet economy not only in the US, it's connecting the world together. So what if there's a demand around the world that people need, then we are there to provide a solution. And that's what we're talking about tonight, a global business opportunity. And so this truly is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, because you know what, we've been doing this for 2.5 years. We kind of found out what worked and what didn't work. Now we're focusing what's working and really we've blazed that trail. And so when we barely started, for each and every single one of you in this room for the very first time, you're really fortunate to be right here, because we are so new that we have took some arrows in the back, but we're about to do some real work right now, okay? So in just 2.5 years, our company already able to ship product to over 80 countries and territories. And unprecedented in the history of network marketing, we now have, in 2 years' time, we have 14 logistics around the world. That we have offices where we do product fulfillment, and we can ship product to 84 countries. So it's quite spectacular in such a short period of time, having a global infrastructure so that we can build a global network and leverage the global economy. And so when you do business globally with different parts of the world, that to be able to collect money in different currencies and to be able to pay commission in different currencies is very important. And so that's what we call global pay in and global pay out solution, okay? So I truly believe we have the most robust platform to do global pay in and pay out solution. And so in the United States, we accept almost all forms of payment, okay? So checks, credit card, and what have you. And so when people abroad, when they're making money, so people say, well, how do they get paid? Well, for example, if you have a friend in Mexico, okay, they're earning commissions. If you were to send them a US check, can they cash it? No. Not for a long time, okay? So, but it's the same thing. If you got people from Indonesia, okay, and you send them a USA check, they can't cash it. But we have a way in such a way that they can earn US dollar commissions, but they will be getting a debit card. That debit card it travels with them wherever they are. So let's say, for example, if you earn commission and you take this debit card and you go to Vietnam, okay, or you go to Indonesia, go to Thailand, Mexico, wherever, when you go to the ATM machine, it will spit out in that local country's currency. It's pretty powerful. I mean, you know, we got the pay card, and when we literally witness people, when we go on an incentive trip where the company provides us, and we've gone to many, many trips. You know, we were in Punta Cana, we were in Thailand. So watching the international distributor go into the ATM machine, you know, so sometimes when you have people coming abroad and they go, do you have, you know, US dollar, or do you have local currency? They go, don't you worry, we have the Jeunesse card. Okay, they can go to any ATM machine and get the local currency. So it's a pretty powerful way of doing business. Now, today, what we have today is not a job, thank goodness, okay? So what we have today is a business opportunity that will allow us to make money in multiple ways. You can make money one of all the 6 ways, or some of the 6 ways, or all of the 6 ways, depending on what you do with the business opportunity. And so there's 2 categories of income that I'm going to talk about today. Now, because this is an opportunity presentation, one thing I want to make it very clear is that there's no guarantee of income in any form, shape, or way. It's understanding something very important. There are people in this company that make absolutely nothing. But there are people in this company that are blessed to making a small fortune, okay? And so it's depending on what you do with the opportunity. Now, the 2 types of income. The first type is what we call linear income. Linear income means trading time for money. How many of you have a job? Show of hands. How many of you have your own business? Show of hands. Now, many of you didn't raise your hand. What did you do? Jeunesse. Okay, now. So let's say we're retired. Okay, now, so let's just say that you work a job. If you work a job, you go to 9 to 5. That's called linear income. Because what happens to your paycheck if you stop working your job? No more moolah, okay, no more paycheck. Just like my husband's medical practice, okay? My husband makes money when he's at the clinic, sees patients. If he doesn't see patients, guess what happened? I cannot see his patients for him. Guess what happened? No more moolah, no money coming in, okay? So there's no leverage. It's called linear income, okay? So we have the first 2 ways of making money is called linear income, doing something one time, getting paid one time. Now the second way, the second type of income that we have is called leveraged income, and that's what I love. Leveraged income means doing something one time, but you have the opportunity to get paid month after month after month. How do you like that concept? Yeah. How many of you are realtors in the audience? Any realtors? Okay, 1 or 2. Okay, now when you're realtors, you may make some good commission when you sell a deal. But what happens to you once you sell the deal? What are you on to? Well, what are you on to? The next deal. People go from deal to deal. Well, what if of all the houses you sold, that every single month, somehow, somewhere, some way, you have an opportunity to get a little commission check month in, month out? How many of you like that? That's residual income or leverage income, okay? And so I'm going to go over all the 6 ways to make money so you get a little bit understanding of how this whole thing works. Now, so to get started is very simple. Some of you in this room today say, you know what, listen, in the beginning I just want to get to know the product, I want to try the product, it sounds really awesome, and you want to be a user, okay? So if you want to become a user or whatnot, you have the option to buy all the products at retail price or at the wholesale price. But if you were given a choice to buy at wholesale or retail, what would you rather do? Wholesale. It's a no-brainer, okay? And so to buy the product wholesale to get started, to become a distributor, a member, it's only $29.95, and that's good for 1 year, okay? From the day you join and 12 months later. So under 30 bucks, you get yourself a replicated website with a shopping cart in it that will allow you to buy all of the products at wholesale. At the same time, it comes with it a business opportunity. Whether you like it or not, you don't have to use the business opportunity, but it's there for you if you want to, okay? And so with being a member, you get your replicated website, and you can email your site to your friends and colleagues, wherever they might be. They can look at the information, and if they like it, they can join you in the business as well, okay? So besides that you can buy all the product at wholesale, you also get a business in a system that will allow you to build your business wherever country that we ship to. And so far we ship to over 80 countries and territories, okay? And because what comes with that is what we call a real-time back office that tracks and monitors your business throughout the world. I mean, this is such a powerful thing. For me, 30 bucks no-brainer. True or not true? If you want to hire somebody to create your own website, it will cost you at least $1,000 or more, okay? Let alone we have such a robust website. Now, so that's how you get your business started become a member, okay, and you can buy the product wholesale. So like I said earlier, you get a turnkey business system that will allow you to build your business. The first way you can make money is what we call retail sales. We as distributors, we buy at wholesale and you